Imagine a world without running water, a world where every drop is precious and the quest for water shapes the very fabric of society. It's hard to picture, isn't it? In our modern lives, water is just a tap away, but what if it wasn't? Now imagine living thousands of years ago. No indoor plumbing, no faucets to turn. Every day, people had to find ways to secure this vital resource. Yet even then, civilizations thrived. How did they do it? How did they manage to sustain large populations and bustling cities? They built incredible water systems, ingenious aqueducts, intricate irrigation channels, and vast reservoirs. These systems were so advanced that they still amaze engineers today. The precision and foresight involved are truly remarkable. Some ancient aqueducts, for example, still carry water today. They stand as a testament to the durability and effectiveness of ancient engineering. They demonstrate the ingenuity of our ancestors, their ability to solve complex problems with the limited tools and knowledge they had. These structures weren't just functional, they were also beautiful. They combined utility with artistry, creating works that were both practical and pleasing to the eye. They often featured arches and other architectural elements. These designs not only served a purpose, but also showcased the aesthetic sensibilities of the time. This shows how much importance was placed on water. It was central to their way of life, their survival, and their prosperity. These systems are a testament to human ingenuity. They reflect the creativity and determination of people who lived long before us. They are a reminder that even our ancestors could tackle complex problems. They used their knowledge and skills to overcome challenges that seem insurmountable. They used their knowledge to create something truly amazing. Their legacy lives on in the structures that still stand today. These ancient systems continue to inspire us today. They remind us of the power of human innovation and the enduring quest to harness the vital resource of water. Water is essential for life. This has always been true. From the earliest settlements, humans needed water. They needed it for drinking, cooking, and farming. As civilizations grew, so did their need for water. This led to the development of complex water management systems. These systems were crucial for the survival of ancient cities. They allowed populations to grow. They also enabled agriculture to flourish. This in turn led to economic development. The ability to manage water was key to the success of these civilizations. Ancient water systems were more than just pipes and channels. They were symbols of power and progress. They reflected the ingenuity and organization of these societies. They are a testament to the importance of water in human history. Managing water resources was no easy task for ancient civilizations. They faced many challenges. Droughts were a constant threat. Floods could be devastating, and finding reliable sources of clean water was essential. In arid regions, people had to find ways to collect and store water. They built cisterns to catch rainwater. They dug wells to access groundwater. In areas with rivers, they built canals and irrigation systems. These systems diverted water to fields and cities. Overcoming these challenges required incredible ingenuity. It also required a deep understanding of the local environment. Ancient engineers and builders were up to the task. They developed innovative solutions that still impress us today. Ancient civilizations developed a variety of impressive water systems. Some of the most well-known are the Roman aqueducts. These structures were marvels of engineering. They transported water over long distances using only gravity. The Romans also built sophisticated sewage systems. These systems helped to improve sanitation in their cities. The Greeks were also known for their water management skills. They built elaborate fountains and baths. They also developed innovative water-powered technologies. One example is the Archimedes screw, a device that could lift water from a lower to a higher level. In the Americas, the Inca civilization built sophisticated irrigation systems. These systems supported their agriculture in the Andes Mountains. They also constructed impressive stone channels and reservoirs. These structures helped them to manage water resources in their challenging environment. Section 5. Engineering feats, gravity's liquid dance. One of the most impressive aspects of ancient water systems is their use of gravity. The Romans, for example, built their aqueducts with a slight downward slope. This allowed water to flow continuously from its source to its destination. They used various materials for their aqueducts, including stone, brick, and concrete. To cross valleys, the Romans built magnificent arches to support their aqueducts. These arches were not just functional, they were also aesthetically pleasing. They demonstrate the Roman Empire's engineering and architectural prowess. These ancient engineers understood the power of gravity. They harnessed it to create water systems that were both efficient and sustainable. Their knowledge and skills continue to inspire engineers today. Section 6. Echoes of the past. Ancient water in the modern world. The legacy of ancient water systems can still be seen today. These systems, developed thousands of years ago, were marvels of engineering and ingenuity. They were designed to harness natural resources efficiently and sustainably, ensuring that communities had access to water even in the most challenging environments. Many of these systems continue to inspire modern engineering projects. Engineers and architects look back at these ancient designs to find solutions that are both innovative and time-tested. The wisdom embedded in these ancient systems offers valuable lessons for contemporary water management. The principles used in their design are still relevant. Concepts such as gravity flow, natural filtration, and sustainable sourcing are as applicable today as they were millennia ago. These principles are being integrated into modern infrastructure to create more resilient and efficient water systems. They are studied and adapted by engineers around the world. By examining these ancient systems, modern engineers can develop new technologies that are both innovative and rooted in proven methods. This fusion of old and new creates a synergy that enhances our ability to manage water resources effectively. For example, the Qanat system, an ancient underground water channel system, is still in use in some parts of the Middle East. These channels, which tap into underground water sources, provide a reliable supply of water in regions where surface water is scarce. This system provides a sustainable source of water in arid regions. By utilizing the natural gradient of the land, Qanats deliver water to the surface without the need for pumping, making them an energy-efficient solution for water delivery. Similarly, the principles of Roman aqueducts are still used in the design of modern water pipelines. The Romans mastered the art of transporting water over long distances using gravity, and this technique is still employed in contemporary water distribution systems. The study of ancient water systems is not just about the past. It is a continuous journey of learning and adaptation. Researchers delve into historical texts, archaeological findings, and ancient blueprints to uncover the secrets of these sophisticated systems. It also has important implications for the future, as we face increasing challenges related to water scarcity, climate change, and population growth. The lessons from ancient water systems become ever more relevant. They offer sustainable solutions that can be adapted to modern needs. As we face challenges related to water scarcity and climate change, we can learn from the ingenuity of our ancestors. By integrating ancient wisdom with modern technology, we can develop innovative solutions that ensure a sustainable and secure water future for generations to come. Section 7. A legacy carved in stone and time. Ancient water systems are more than just historical curiosities. They are marvels of engineering that have stood the test of time, showcasing the brilliance of early civilizations. These structures, often built with rudimentary tools and sheer human effort, have managed to survive for centuries, if not millennia. They are a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of human civilization. From the aqueducts of Rome to the stepwells of India, these water systems highlight the diverse methods humans have employed to harness and manage water resources. They are a reminder that even in the face of challenges, humans can find innovative solutions. Whether it was the need to irrigate crops in arid regions or to supply growing urban centers with fresh water, our ancestors rose to the occasion with remarkable creativity. They serve as a source of inspiration for us to tackle the water challenges of the present and the future. Modern engineers and scientists often look back at these ancient systems to glean insights and ideas that can be applied today. These systems also remind us of the importance of water. In many ancient cultures, water was revered and considered sacred, a belief that underscores its vital role in sustaining life. It is a precious resource that we must manage carefully. As we face increasing water scarcity and climate change, the lessons from these ancient systems become even more relevant. By studying the past, we can learn how to create a more sustainable future. Archaeologists and historians play a crucial role in uncovering the secrets of these ancient systems, providing us with valuable knowledge. As we marvel at these engineering feats, let us also remember the human stories behind them. The dedication, hard work, and vision that went into their creation are truly inspiring. The countless laborers, engineers, and visionaries who dedicated their lives to building these systems. Their efforts have left an indelible mark on history, and their legacy continues to influence us today. Their legacy lives on in the flow of water that continues to sustain us today. As we look to the future, let us draw inspiration from these ancient marvels and strive to create a world where water is managed wisely and sustainably for generations to come. Section 8. What amazed you most? From the towering aqueducts of Rome to the ingenious qanats of Persia, ancient water systems continue to capture our imaginations. What aspect of these engineering marvels did you find most fascinating? Was it the sheer scale of the Roman aqueducts, or perhaps the ingenuity of the Nazca lines and their role in water management? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Section 9. Dive deeper into the depths of history. Eager to learn more about the fascinating world of ancient water systems? Explore the links below to delve deeper into the history, engineering, and cultural significance of these incredible feats. Link to a resource about Roman aqueducts, link to a resource about qanat systems, link to a resource about Nazca lines. Happy exploring!